am Talia.
And I'm Riley.
And today we're making
watermelon pizzas.
You'll need one watermelon cut into 1.5-inch slices.
Have your parents cut it so you don't get hurt.
Add the toppings you want on your pizza. What are you going to use first?
I'm going to use some bananas.
Fun. Do you like coconut?
A little.
Okay. What are you going to do this summer?
Maybe some chocolate chips. Oops. Good thing it's tempered glass.
Drop test! What are you going to do this summer?
Huh?
What are you going to do this summer?
I was thinking we were probably going to go camping, maybe.
Oh, fun. Do you like camping?
Yes.
That's fun. Wow. That's nice.
His name's Bob.
Hi, Bob. Nice to meet you. This is George.
It's George Abraham Lincoln.
Are you good? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you're done with toppings, cut into pizza slices.
I'm scared.
Don't worry.
Are you ready to try this?
Uh-huh.
Let me move one of the strawberries on. This is so good. You like it?
Bye. Thanks for watching.